Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. Firstly, what you need to do, you need to get up into your browser, then you need to type for YouTube Studio, go for it, and then wait to get up to the main point of this video. Firstly, you need to get up into that section, and when you get up, as you can see, if you zoom in, you're gonna be able to see your current subscribers, and if you type on it, then it will shows up all subscribers that are detected on your account. But as you can see here, I have 0 subscribers. That's why I don't have that subscriber count option to get up and see who are they who get up into my subscribable option on my channel. Now if you have, for example, 1 or 10 or maybe more subscribers, if you type on the number of subscribers, it will shows up your subscriber sections on your YouTube mobile section. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.